ईशा, वेलकम टू माई पॉडकास्ट। यार साथ यार बहुत सीरियस पॉडकास्ट है। तो फ्रेमिंग तेरी थोड़ी सो वेलकम टू माई पॉडकास्ट। एक तो तू मुझे देखो। आर यू रेडी?
यस।
ये डीप कॉन्वर्सेशन कैसे करते हैं? हाँ, हो नहीं पा रही। Police. Guys, I just wanted to ask you a couple of questions. Number one, what do you think is the most important relationship?
बहुत ही डेप्थ वाला क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया तूने।
यार मैं डीप
Rapid fire.
लगती नहीं हूँ, मेरी शक्ल से नहीं लगता, वरना मैं I can take conversations to next day. आधी बात करके सो जाओ।
To different lows. I can take conversations to different lows.
Guys, please forgive my friend Isha.
I think there is a culture of not really being honest in terms of what you want from your relationship. So that is something.
हमारी ईशा को no, what is that one non-negotiable and you can't say the cliches in a relationship, and you can't say the cliches. अब cliché नहीं बता सकते।
They're cliches for a reason.
What is that one non-negotiable that you think is a non-negotiable? Tell us.
In a what? Romantic relationship या क्या?
Yes. What other kind of relationship?
I wouldn't know. I've never been in a romantic relationship.
एक घंटे की footage
Why
होगी।
don't you answer the question first?
I think the most important non-negotiable in a relationship is, वो तो सारे क्लीशे होते हैं। रिस्पेक्ट क्लीशे होता है, लव क्लीशे होता है, ऑनेस्टी क्लीशे होती है, नो फ्रेंडशिप। मतलब फ्रेंडशिप होनी चाहिए। नो फ्रेंडशिप है तो नेगोशिएट।
I thought you were saying कि अगले इंसान की कोई फ्रेंडशिप नहीं होनी चाहिए। लव, रिस्पेक्ट, अकोमोडेशन भी
होम में वो तो
नहीं।
साथ ही रहेंगे ना।
ये सेम पेज मैंने देखा था अभी थोड़ी देर पहले।
ये तो बहुत ये डीप कॉन्वर्सेशन कैसे करते हैं? हाँ, हो नहीं पा रही। Do you think marriage will be an option later on? Like जैसे for example 10 years ago situationship was not there. Now slowly सब आया hookup, situationship and XYZ. Now there are other things also. I forgot क्या होता है, जैसे कुछ तो होता है ना।
यार I think these things always existed, बस अलग अलग नाम से। situationship इस चीज़ को एक नाम दे दिया। पहले भी होता तो था ही है।
If you can go back to your schooling years and change one thing about your education, not the system but your personal education, what would that be?
I think ये मैंने बहुत सोचा बैठ के।
मैंने भी।
I would participate more in extracurriculars.
Like?
यार जैसे फूशिया वगैरह होता था, I never pushed myself to do it.
Please tell दोस्तों को फूशिया क्या है।
फूशिया हमारा इंटर स्कूल इंटर हाउस कंपटीशन होता था, which was उसमें सिंगिंग से लेके डांसिंग, पब्लिक स्पीकिंग, डिबेटिंग, एवरीथिंग। मतलब it was a 3-day full major full-fledged event.
And our school was awesome at like extracurricular activities. In fact, yesterday I found my medal all-rounder of the year. सब छूट चुका है। But our school was an IPSC school. It used to participate in anything and everything and send children across India, in fact across borders for competition. Yeah. I think
इंटर स्कूल मेरे इंटर सिटी ये इशू आ जाता था। माई पेरेंट्स नेवर अलाउड मी टू गो। मैं एक बार गई थी 10th या 11th में, बट आई थिंक आई वाज एट अ पॉइंट व्हेन मैं जाना ही नहीं चाहती थी उस पॉइंट पे। तो
But I had social anxiety, or you were never interested in people, meeting new people in these competitions? Because one of the reasons why people really participated is because they'll get to meet people. People were not even interested in that activity, but they would do that. So was that a reason why you wouldn't?
I think social anxiety, yes, big part play करता था. I am a lot better in terms of interacting with people now. बट ऑल्सो मेरे को इंटर स्कूल नहीं इंट्रा स्कूल में तो कर ही लेना चाहिए था. आई शुड हैव पुश्ड माई सेल्फ.
What do you think? You would have explored better or understood yourself better, or you would have had access, or you would have had an understanding of what opportunities are there? क्या चीज़ में it would have helped you?
Just pushing myself. I suck at it now, as you know.
But how would that help you now? Push तब करती, अभी कैसे help करता?
Work ethic वगैरह भी तो build होता मेरा कुछ.
You think you would have become more fearless?
और holistic development में it's an important part. I feel पढ़ाई के अलावा भी extra curriculars play a very important role.
Yeah. But what is that one thing about like hardcore education that you would have changed?
In terms of पढ़ाई.
Yeah, in terms of like books. And it's personal. You can't change the system about yourself, how you used to do things.
I think in terms of पढ़ाई, I did what worked for me. Maybe if I had to change one thing, मैं पहले पढ़ना start करती क्योंकि मैं हमेशा एक moment में पढ़ती थी.
Isha has that face where she has a very intense face, so she looks like somebody who can't be messed with and who knows everything, and she ends up reading so much from the internet that she has access to all pieces of information but limited. Her topic पे she would have a say, but कितना depth में that you'll only know once you start talking to her. But in social interaction, because you don't get a lot of time with people, so when you talk with Isha, you feel like bro, she knows about everything. मैं जब भी कुछ भी नया सीख के आती हूँ and I tell her about that thing or any of my friends, she has something to say. That means she knows about the topic. So basically, point being, she used to come across as somebody who knows it all and is very well read, which you are, I think.
I'm a jack of all trades, master of none.
पूरा है वो उसके आगे, but better than one.
Better than being master of one.
I genuinely feel I always juggle between two things. I feel like it is very important to have expertise, but at the same time it's very important to have your feet in multiple places. I always juggle. As an entrepreneur, multiple businesses is what, you know, can sail your boat, and multiple चीज़ों पे knowledge होना and, you know, अलग अलग चीज़ें try करना. But then when it comes to sports, it has to be your all. So it's really, you know, with sayings, whatever works for you, you should stick to that. And you know, मैंने बहुत अच्छा quote पढ़ा था yesterday. I read, there is no right or wrong choice. You make a choice and you make it the right one. It's so correct, no?
I think I'm coming to terms with the fact that I can't change the past. तो future में ही better कर लो at least. Don't sulk in that feeling कि मैं time waste कर दिया, मैंने ये खराब कर दिया. I am trying to push myself to be better in the future.
From the past, coming to that, what kind of feeling you get more? Do you feel more grateful, or do you feel like you learnt a lot and you would know कि इनकी core feeling क्या है? Both sentences की core feeling क्या है? Are you able to get, like, you're grateful because everything happened, like you felt that you were at a place of privilege, and life is a matter of perspective, right? You could be the richest person and still feel कि यार आपके पास कोई privilege नहीं है, and you could be the poorest and still feel कि wonderful life है. But when I say you felt grateful in the sense कि you felt यार इतना कुछ हो गया and I'm so happy ये वो, or you address your past as something that you went through, but you learnt a lot, like you don't victimize yourself because of your past. Which way do you feel more?
I think these two are quite similar, no?
In my head, no, because मेरे मन में segment है. जैसे should I elaborate mine and then you'll be able to understand what I'm saying? Or you understood, but you have a different
I
perspective?
think मैं तेरे को बताती हूँ what I think you're saying. You tell me if it's right or wrong.
बताओ.
Option A is कि you're grateful for your past and everything you had. Option B is it was bad but I got through it and I learned a lot.
Yeah.
Option B, I think.
Mine is mostly option A, but actually mine is mostly A, and because it's not that मेरा perspective is good, I think I really have been lucky बहुत सारी चीज़ों में. I have been very lucky, and I acknowledge that And I also acknowledge कि life, it is a matter of perspective, but the another truth is that it is, as a matter of fact, more tough for other people. It's not just a matter of perspective. Some people really go through a lot and way more than you can even imagine. So by just putting ऐसी बड़ी बड़ी sayings, you can't take it away from them. Yeah. Isha, what do you think life is about? Genuine question.
Life is suffering. पता नहीं यार, I think I'm trying to figure it out.
What at this moment, what do you think life is? Podcast वाला ना. Death कैसी लगती है आपको?
Death, sweet release जैसी.
Okay, I have a question. What do you think happens to you once you die?
ये चीज़ मेरे को fascinate करती थी as a child, and I looked up कि certain people they die scientifically ना, कि revive किया था फिर उनको. Actually, I don't remember. I don't remember क्या experiences रहे थे उनके. Some people said they saw a light at the end of the tunnel
Do you
वगैरह, but
trust them?
I don't know.
I think. I genuinely think that you keep. This is what I've been believing since day one, and it has come from within. I don't even remember किसने बोला था, क्या बोला था, but I feel like your soul remains. Limited number of souls in this world, and it remains the same. And every janam you get a different body, and you're just recycled. It's never ending, and I think you have to complete the cycle. So right now we're humans. Next, I don't know how we have to complete the entire cycle of all the living beings, and then only we'll get to be human again. This is what I feel about life.
ये spiritual.
Spiritual? Yeah, actually, पता नहीं where did I pick it from, but from wherever I did, it stayed with me and it only made sense. This makes you realize how important position you hold right now as a human, because you can talk, you can speak, you can communicate, you can achieve, and you can rest, whatever you can do what you want to do. Basically, for other people it's always, for other living beings, it's mostly a matter of survival. So being a human is only a matter of privilege.
But इससे फिर वो philosophical question raise होता है कि are you putting humans on a different level बाकी organisms के? Do you
Yeah.
think humans are better in some ways?
Yeah. I think supreme living beings नहीं humans, because they can do everything and anything. They have brains, they have, I mean everybody has brains, not everybody, mostly, no, but इतना exceed कर सकते हैं अपनी capabilities, and we can do what we want to. Who gets to do that? And it's not at all a matter of survival for most of us. What do you feel about extreme optimism of living? People who are happy to be alive.
Must be nice.
But you know what I'm talking about, no? Extremely optimistic people who acknowledge all of this, and they वो sadness और sacrifice और struggle glorify नहीं करते. They just focus on being extremely optimistic. How do you feel about that?
I think it takes a certain amount of internal strength.
Don't you find it annoying? Do you remember कभी वो कौन सी मूवी है जिसमें ऋतिक रोशन है, जिसमें वो मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ, kind of optimism?
I have never watched that.
You don't know ऋतिक रोशन का character? He's extremely happy to be alive. ऐसे रहता है सारे टाइम. No?
There must be a reason.
If you get to choose a profession of your will, skipping the hard work and just coming to it, and you're bestowed with all the knowledge of that profession or skill set, what would that be? And there's no social stigma attached, but you can't be a porn star or yeah,
No social stigma attached का
stigma attached है ना.
तो फिर आप porn star बनने से क्यों मना कर रहे हो?
चलो ठीक है, आपकी इच्छा है. But you can choose any field.
I always wanted to be an astrophysicist as a child, but I realized कि फिजिक्स मेरे बस की नहीं है, एंड एस्ट्रोफिजिक्स ही नाम है तो।
क्या करते हैं लोग?
और अ सोशल वर्कर. I have realized, as difficult as it is, I really want to work in the social sector, and उसमें IAS से better capacity किसी के पास नहीं होती to change lives. But उधर तक पहुंचना, it's so
It's different. And I really truly believe philosophy only come after philosophy nahi, philanthropy sorry, philanthropy only comes after money, and once you have money you have the power to change anything and everything, and eventually that would be the goal. And I think good तो आप किसी भी कैपेसिटी में कर सकते हो, बट यू नो मनी सॉल्व सो मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ पीपल हु आर इन नीड. आई डोंट थिंक जिन लोगों को नीड, जो लोग हेल्प सीख करते हैं, देयर इज हेल्प ऑफ इमोशनल सपोर्ट. आई एम श्योर होगा, वो भी होगा, बट आई डोंट थिंक यू विल एवर बी इन अ पोजिशन टू प्रोवाइड इमोशनल सपोर्ट बिकॉज दैट ओनली फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स कैन डू. So as an external source you can help them have a better life, which money helps with. And I think by the
money also
virtue,
gives you access to therapy.
yeah,
It gives you access to education, better resources.
yeah, that is also true. And I feel like by the virtue of doing good, I think it's not just about the fact that other person benefits from it, you also, you spiritually, internally benefit so much. You feel good about yourself, you feel like a better person. And no matter how much somebody says that it's mostly for them, but it's really a half thing. It
Internal
equally
gratification.
internal gratification इतना high होता है that you would want to do it. So yeah.
This brings me to something I learned in college. Marcel Mauss की theory of gift giving है, जिसमें he says that a gift is always meant to be reciprocated. And even if आप donation कर रहे हो, उसमें भी आपको internal gratification मिल रहा है,
Yeah.
तो it's always reciprocity.
It's always give and take in simpler terms. Yeah.
कोई भी gift free में नहीं आता. There's never
This
a
is
free
called
lunch.
lunch. Ah! I know this too. And to be very honest, on a superficial level, I think it is materialistically this logic stays on the table. Like whatever you get, you have to reciprocate like that. But when it comes to philanthropy and goodwill, I think it remains the same, but the return is in different form. Yeah. And I think when you are in a position of power and money, you yourself are so secured. Only then you can think about helping others. A person who's troubled himself, I don't think has the bandwidth to deal with other people's problems. So it's very important to be in a saner environment for yourself.
Another dream of mine is to have an animal shelter. सारे अलग अलग
Yeah.
dogs to cats to cows to goats.
But I feel like this in India there are a lot of stray dogs, and I feel like that this don't kill none of those sorts. But I really feel like life on street is so tough. No matter आप कितना ही feed कर दो, कितना ही कुछ कर दो, there's so many problems. Like a dog has to be taken care of. It needs to be inside the home. I feel like somebody has to come up with a solution where they all are sheltered, and then that continues, and no more breeding on the street because it's just difficult life for them.
All it takes is empathy यार. Vaccination करवा लो आप. It's not, मतलब vaccination, spaying, neutering. That's all it takes.
Yeah.
And regular feeding. Dogs in general, they don't bite or show aggression until provoked.
I got bitten by a dog.
यार वो fearful होगा for whatever reason. उसके पास में
there's
किसी ने उसको
yeah, there was a reason.
trigger
Somebody
किया
killed
होगा.
the pup,
हाँ तो देख.
and like few seconds ago, so she was very aggressive.
There's always a reason. They never.
But what about the incidents when you see on social media where a group of dogs kill a small child and rip her apart or him apart?
We don't know the full story ना. For fun तो नहीं करते dogs. I don't think they have the intellectual level to experience sadism and all.
Oh, nicely.
Very controversial opinion. I think the meat industry should be abolished. Even the milk industry should be abolished. अगर आपको animals खाने तो आप खुद hunt करके खाओ. No use of modern weapons like guns and all.
अंडे खा सकते
Bow
हो?
and arrow. अगर आपने फ्री रेंज चिकन्स रख रखे हैं, आप उनकी बहुत अच्छे से देखभाल करते हो, नो बॉयलर चिकन्स जिनको केजेस में रखते हैं, उनको इतनी एंजाइटी रहती है, नन ऑफ दैट.
Yeah, yeah. At the end of the day, they're souls.
It gives you no right to exploit another animal just because you're a human and you have the capacity.
Animal Farm पढ़ी थी मैंने थोड़ा टाइम पहले.
वो तो रशियन रेवोल्यूशन का
एनिमल थे उसमें.
मैंने 5th ग्रेड में पढ़ी थी एनिमल फार्म. मेरे को लगा वाओ कितनी वंडरफुल स्टोरी है. Pigs and hens and what not. फिर मेरे को पता चला
It's actually not about animals at all. But I just remember I read it. 1984 भी है. I have it but I haven't read it. But anyways,